The Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't coming out until early 2025, but that hasn't stopped the leaks from rolling in. In fact, we already have a good idea of what Samsung is planning, including some major upgrades to the display, camera, and even the lineup itself. Let's break it down. According to Ice Universe and some fresh report out of South Korea, Samsung is introducing a new screen technology for the S26 Ultra. This new panel is a lot thinner, which means the S26 Ultra itself could be slimmer overall. The new panel is brighter and, most importantly, more power efficient, which could lead to noticeable battery improvements even though we're getting the same 5000 mAh cell. On top of that, Ice Universe also says that Samsung will be using its third-generation anti-reflective coating, designed to cut down screen glare even further, making content more visible and vibrant, especially outdoors. Moving on, we've been hearing whispers about Samsung potentially dropping the Plus model from the Galaxy S26 series, and it seems that might be the case. The Elic, as well as Win Future, has reported that the 26 series might include three models: the standard S26, the S26 Edge instead of the Plus, and the S26 Ultra. These reports are coming from very reputable sources, which means we're very much looking at Samsung's plans for its 2025 Candy Bar flagships, but I would suggest we wait for further confirmation before drawing the line. As for their display sizes, the base Galaxy S26 will feature a 6.27-inch screen, the S26 Edge comes in at 6.66 inches, and the S26 Ultra will stick to a 6.89-inch panel. This is pretty similar to the current lineup, but there's one big change in the Edge model. According to Win Future, Samsung is significantly upgrading its camera system. The S26 Edge will now feature a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a massive jump from the 12-megapixel sensor used in the S25 Edge. That brings it closer to the Ultra in terms of camera versatility, although it's worth noting that the Edge model still won't have a telephoto lens. And also, its battery capacity will remain lower than the Ultra. As for the S26 Ultra, don't expect major changes in the camera department. Most of the setup is staying the same, except for a small upgrade to the 3x telephoto lens, which is getting bumped from 10 to 12 megapixels. So that's the current state of the Galaxy S26 Ultra: a new display, a trimmed-down lineup, and a few smart camera updates. If all this is coming out this early, imagine what's left to be revealed in the next few months. Of course, I'll be updating you guys as new info emerge, so consider subscribing to the channel to stay updated. Don't forget to turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.